Hello, welcome to this Olympiad maths. It's more or less an exponential problem. And how do we go about this? So moving on. So to solve this problem, now we can have this as 4 raised to power x minus this one. Note we are having x minus 1 as the exponent. So we can split as 4 raised to power x dot 4 raised to power minus 1. Yes. So that if you're having the same base now, you can add the powers. So x plus minus 1 will be x minus 1. So is equal to 24. All right. So this one will give us the thinking to know that 4 raised per x is common here. So you can say 4 raised per x. If 4 raised per x is taken from here, you have 1 left here minus. If 4 raised per x is taken from here, you have 4 raised per minus 1. Okay, is equals to 24. Hope that is clear. So we have what 4 raised per x into 1 minus 4 raised per minus 1, according to the law of units, is 1 over 4. I hope you get that. That the negative here means 1 over, then 4 raised per 1, 4 raised per 1 here. So is equals to what? 24. This will imply 4 raised per x multiply, if you subtract, that is, if you find the LCM, you can do this now. The LCM of 1 and 4 is 4. 1 in 4, that's 4. 4 times 1, 4 minus 4 in 4, that's 1. 1 times 1, 1 is equals to 24. Okay, I hope you get that. So that 4 raised per x now, this will be 3 over 4 is equals to 24. So if we cross multiply, by cross multiplying, we have so 4 raised per x times 3 is equals to 4 times 24. I hope that is clear. Okay, that will be what? 3 into 4 raised per x is equals to 96. Yes. So to get 3 out, let's use this place. To get 3 out, to get 4 raised per x out, we divide both sides by 3. So 4 raised per x will now be equals to 96 all over 3. So we have 4 raised per x. I hope we are following. Good. Is equals to 3, 9, 3, 3 in 6, 2. Beautiful. Beautiful. So now we can get the factors of 4 and 32. That will be 2 raised per 2x. That's 4 is being represented by 2 raised per 2 is equals to 2 raised per 5. So this one now means 2 raised per 2x is equals to 2 raised per 5. Yes, when you expand this, the exponent there. 2 we cancel 2 here. You have what? This is what? 2x is equals to 5. I hope you get that. Beautiful. So 2x equals to 5. Now how do you get x? Divide both sides by 2. Therefore, x is equals to 5 all over 2. Now, the question says we should find what? What the question says is this. Find 2x raised per x. So now, 2x raised per x will be, our 2x is 5 here. Yes, so 5 raised per x. X is 5 all over 2. Okay? And don't forget, this can be written as, in indices, you can write this as what? Square root of 5 raised per 5. Yes, that is the 2 here will be the square root, then 5 raised per 5. This one means what? The square root of 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. Because 5 in 5 places. That's what it means. So let's split it. We have what? Which is what? Root 5 times root 5 times root 5 times root 5 times root 5. Okay, so how do we now get the answer? Root 5 times root 5 is 5. Because root 5 times root 5 is root 25. And the result is 5. Times, let's pick another root 5 times root 5. Root 5 times root 5 is also 5. Because it's root 25. So the square root of 25 is 5. Then times the last one, root 5. Okay. So 5 times 5 now is 25. I hope you get that. Times root 5, 25 root 5. So the value of 2 2x raised power x is 25 root 25. Root 25 root 5. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumb up, comment, like, and share. Bye.